In this short video, I want to illustrate another question I have regarding factory design utilities and some of the capabilities for controlling a parameter list. So I've already explored the is-key functionality in a previous video and shown how that wasn't really working as needed. But then also want to show another part that I've been working on. So I'm going to go ahead and place this into my assembly. And I didn't take the time to do a landing surface or anything, that's why it shows up weird. But in this part, which I just published as an asset, excuse me, I added to my code where I basically say if there's a certain application I want to use certain fastener types, but then if that isn't standard, it's heavy duty, then I want to use larger diameter fasteners. So just a test, nothing important about it. And then up at the top here I have this multi-value set list option, which should force the list to update to the current values when I make a change. So to see how that works, we'll go ahead and click on the parameter table, and we can see right now it's set to standard. There's 10, 12, and quarter 20 fasteners. But then if I say heavy duty, notice that my list changes to 5/16, 3/8, and half. That's exactly what I want to happen. So then I went ahead and published this as an asset, and when we look at the part itself, it comes in, it's got the length, width, height, holes. So I'm not going to go through the is key thing again, but notice we've got the application number 10, 12, and then quarter 20. So I say, well, let's change it to heavy duty. I go ahead and click OK, update it, and the fastener type blanks out, and now we're back to 10, 12, and quarter 20. So it doesn't actually update the list. So trying to figure out what's going on. So if I come in here, I can edit this, and maybe it needs to run the rule. So I just edit it in place, run the rule. If I look at this table, it looks right, perfect. Okay, so I get done, finish my edit, come back here, click on it again, and it's still stuck at 10, 12, and quarter 20. So again, not sure why that's not working in the factory design utilities. It almost seems like 2017, it basically hard codes the configuration of everything that gets published in the asset, so we don't have as much variability. So yeah, just curious if anybody has any thoughts, ways to work around that. Would really appreciate it. Thanks.